Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change name on Remitly. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Remitly application from your app drawer. Also make sure to log into your account if you've not already. Once you're logged in from the main homepage, tap on the Manage button at the bottom right corner. Now, from the menu, select the Profile option. Tap the Edit button right next to your name at the top and then enter the first name that you'd like to replace with. Make sure to type in your first name and last name of your preference in order to change your name. And once you are done, tap Save and you will be able to change your profile name on Remitly. So that is how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.